Today, we're going to bring a smartphone protector. So we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us for review. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Nice, beautiful casing enclosure in here. And this is ready for you to set up on your phone. If you guys can see that, they give you the case itself. They give you covers, new covers, 2 of them. All right, they give you 2 of them where you could protect your phone encasing, and brand new ones so you could cover it. So, and these are made of glass. I'm going to show you guys. And look how beautiful they are. They're ready to set up on a phone, an actual phone. All right, we just set up a phone cover. Put it in the front. You put in the cover, it lines up, it locks in it automatically. You take out the strip, and that's pretty much it. Puts in the cover. Then, once you do that, you end up setting up this cover into it. Very simple. I'm going to put in the gold cover in here. There goes straight. Perfect phone cover. All the buttons, you're able to access all the buttons. All right, easy. All the buttons go around it. All right, there's a cover itself. You guys can see it in the back. It feels perfect. You can remove this. Perfect cover. Enough room for the buttons, or both buttons. The mute off and on. You got the speakers in the bottom. Connection. So the way it works, if you ever want to put the strip in, it's very simple, right? We're going to put it, if you want to put the handle in, we're going to show you guys how to do it. So they give you this little item in here, and this is very critical that you need. So we're going to open it up right now and see what I'm talking about. So, and it's kind of like a small little, you can't even see it, little, but it has that little hook. So what you need to do is you need to strap it out in the bottom of it here in the back. You need to put it back to where the actual connection of the power connection goes to. Stick it out there. And of course, it's double-sided tape, so you'll be able to tape it up in there and permanently leave it there too. But once you grab that, you put your phone over it, right? We're gonna put our phone over it. Phone goes over it. We got a protector. Then we just clip it up. And this is a simple clip, right? For traveling purposes. Simple, you could go on. So the phone is already waterproof as it is, but then you could use this to protect it even more. And then you push the button, and you can hang it in around your shoulders, hang it around your neck. Pretty much have this thing. So not only did they give you the actual covers, the cleaning materials to clean the systems, but they actually give you the instructions. They give you the actual 2 physical glass covers to protect your phone. So very simple, easy to use. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.